Talk about sciatica. This is the most confusing term that people hear, because if they have pain in the leg, they instantly diagnose with sciatica. Well, that's not always necessarily the truth. But speaking of sciatic nerve is thick like your thumb. This nerve has the biggest amount of pain receptors per square inch. So if anything happens to it, it hurts. Sciatic nerves originates from the lumbar and sacral spine. So basically from the lower 3 and the 4 nerve roots from the sacrum, they create a big nerve that goes in between multiple muscles right at the back of your legs. And it may have multiple causes for this. So usually it's a lifestyle, meaning the way we sit. If we are unbalanced, the muscles goes in spasm. One of the conditions is piriformis syndrome. Usually this muscle covers the sciatic nerve, and very small number it passes through this muscle or go over the top. So if piriformis muscle is not working really well, you may experience sciatic nerve. Piriformis muscle is located between the sacrum and the femur, and it's diagonal like this. So you can see how it's crossing the bridge over the sciatic nerve. So if this pelvis is not aligned properly, this muscle extra tense, and therefore it's causing the sciatic nerve problem. What do we do in our society? Take a pills, which is absolutely arrogant way to treat this condition, because besides feeling relief and pain, you're not fixing the problem, and the nerve is slowly dying. That's why it's hard to exercise. That's why you feel numbness and weakness in the legs, and people usually complain, well, I don't have stamina to go and exercise, and it's not usually the case. The stamina is there, just there's no power. So in order to get properly diagnosed, don't get diagnosed by symptoms only, because this is also ridiculous. Get diagnosed after proper physical examination, and I can tell you there's a number of specific tests has to be done. Conclusion. So it's very easily treatable. I can tell you hundreds of patients of mine came with this sciatica syndrome, sciatica pain, sciatic nerve problem, and all of them get healed slowly but surely. And I can suggest go to see a chiropractic care. They will do proper examination and tell you what is that you have besides this common methodical diagnosis. God bless you.